Today's the first day we're going to start working on the bus after a month long of snow, mechanical issues, and trips and just inconveniences, but that happens in the time frame of Skoolie building. Today we're going to install skylights with plexiglass, and stoked to show you guys.
I think what we should do, which I don't super want to do, but it's cut it to here.
Oh, that would be so rad. Yeah.
Yeah, because this isn't connected to anything, so it'll just fall right out. And then we'll drill it into this. Just make sure the plexiglass can flex that far comfortably.
Pretty much what I'm doing right now is just taking all the gunk out, particularly on this side and on this side, because this one doesn't matter. We're going to be cutting this the length of the, or smaller than the length of the plexiglass, so we have more light in the bus.
Wind, hey, fuck off.
I'm going to start with the second hatch. So now we're putting this industrial heater to aim towards up here, because the silicone needs to be placed
At below freezing.
below freezing.
Above freezing.
Above freezing, yeah. So heating it up, getting our lunch on.
Blocking the holes for the night, because we want to apply the silicone when it's warmer tomorrow. It says it's supposed to be a high of 34 and the silicone is lowest is 32. But we'll run the space heater in here and put it on tomorrow. Then hopefully there's no wind, and that won't be a problem. Today we're going to be in bed, it's going to be
Whew. Doing this in the cold is no joke. Day 2 of Skylight Installation. So it's pretty much gonna look like this. We still need to put the silicone underneath and then drill the screws, but yay, it fits perfectly.
Foam window seal. We're getting because there's little bolts on top of the roof that I don't know if the silicone's gonna fill all the way, so we're gonna use this to put right next to those bolts. We figure that it's squishy, so when we bolt that window down, it'll squish out a little bit and seal the window.
Oh, this shit's perfect. So we're measuring the bolt holes, and I'm giving it an inch of clearance from the corner, which thank God we did on the last one. Did I do this at 5.5 or 5?
5.5 you said?
Yeah, I wanted a 5.5. And then I'm measuring these at 5.5 because we'll do 2 of them, then go to the other side and do 2 of them. We want it to look as even as possible. So we'll just keep measuring 5.5 until they're too close. Look at that. Don't look at our little black fills. Woo!
So it's very ghetto, but works. It's waterproof and it will give us some good light inside.
Here.
My hair looks wild. And we have our skylights. Look at the beautiful sunset.